Hi guys, today this is my you previously know that this is my farm and that is my baby buffalo named Chunu, and last day to be this video. Everyone is thinking that India is no less of power like that, but no, India is powerful. It has the Agni missile, BrahMos missile, and in 1919 too like that. And every country tried to attack on India, but they all failed because do you know why? Eh, our prime uh, our prime minister uh, Prime Minister said that they are attacking us, please help. And she said, and nobody responded. Then the next morning, then 20, then hundreds of ships and nuclear submarines came between Standard and India, and all countries asked who are those, and the crew and the ships responded, we are Russia, the Indians help. They said, and all of them backed off. And also, why do everyone says India is so dirty? But no, look at all the landscaping. India is very nice, and it has all kinds of features like cardamom and masala like that. But everyone saying it dirty, 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 and they're saying because of this buffaloes and this little guy, they're saying every time dirty, and they're saying India so dirty. I'll never visit India like that. Why? Like why? See, this is nice. See how it is there, how landscaping is there. They sound nice only, but everyone mistakes in for bad or like that. They say, but no, India is great. India has every power of right. Also, the British, all the British, hi, British also they video and the British and oh also this is my brother's channel, and thank you guys for time my brothers and my channel, and thank you for hitting 797 views. Thank you guys. And and no, and also the British once attacked us, right? Then we saw the dominance, and we got independence, right? And so if you like and subscribe, it will be nice. Okay, bye guys.